We have from the Federal House of Representatives in Abuja, a member of the Green Chamber, Honorable Shino Oyedeji. Oh, Shine, you are most welcome. Please, gentlemen of the 4th Estate of Rem, if you have not been officially invited to be here, kindly exit this front area, please. Thank you. Thank you. We appreciate you. Thank you. But you're not needed here in front. Thank you very much. So any moment from now, we'll be receiving in audience former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Chief Dr. Aremo Olusegun Obasanjo, GCFR, and of course, our #1 citizen in Oyo State, Vice Chairman, Nigerian Governors Forum, His Excellency Governor Seyi Makinde, will be coming along with the former President, and their arrival will mark the start of today's event.
Bọ́kànrin lórí ilẹ̀ adúpẹ́pẹ́ lẹ́ni elérògbà rẹ̀ òní gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ẹnjìnìà Olúwaṣèyí Mákindé láti gbé kàbìtì eléyìí kalẹ̀ èyí tí ẹ̀gàn tí ọ̀ràn bí ẹ̀gàn kò sẹ́ran tẹ̀tẹ̀ kórúkọ rẹ̀ ó kò lẹ́fọ̀ọ́ àwọn lọ́balọ́ba níjòyè àwọn ni wọ́n ti wà ń kalẹ̀. Dayọ̀ ti kí gbogbo àwọn aláṣẹ ìjọba nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ń dé lọ́kọ̀ọ̀kan ìjèjì ṣùgbọ́n lọ́wọ́ yìí ní apá ọ̀tún mi mo ti rí àwọn lọ́balọ́ba àwọn kábíyèsí àwọn orí adé ọrùn lẹ̀kẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti kó wà kalẹ̀ lórí àpèrè nígbà tí mò ń fi orúkọ Olúbàdàn ilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn Ọba Rasheed Adéwọ̀lú Ládọjà Àrùsà kínní kí gbogbo ọba tó wà ń kalẹ̀ adé ọ̀pẹ́ lórí yín o bàtà yóò pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀sìn ọba yóò jẹ́ kó pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ gbogbo yín pátá àjọ ńlá nìtẹ̀ ń retí àjọ Ìbàdàn ẹ̀ẹ́kọ́